Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create this artwork using alcohol inks on PVC panel. Let's go, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Hello guys, my name is Gaya. To be honest, it's my first video about alcohol ink technique in English. I've done it before, some classes, art classes in English, but it's kind of difficult for me for now. But I hope you will like this video and you will take something interesting for you. So let's start. Today I'm going to create a little piece of art on this PVC panel. Look at this panel. I don't know, have you ever used it, but this is kind of panel I like it very much. The sizes of this panel is like 20 on 20 centimeters. Today I'm going to use 3 colors. This metallic cuprum color, this black color, and this Tiffany color, which mixed with silver. I used Kamenskaya ink, alcohol ink. I hope you like this color, but if not, you will see what a beautiful piece of art I'm going to create now. So let's start. First of all, let's clean up this panel with some tissues and alcohol. So just with this kind of motions, we just clean it up. So as you see, it was kind of dirty a little bit. Now it's okay. What I'm going to do then, so I have my dryer, this kind of dryers, you see. So first of all, I put some bronze, some cuprum color on this PVC panel and start drying it. And then I will put, I will put this color and then black. Maybe I will change it. Let me see. I don't know. Maybe I will change it. It's kind of improvisation. I've never tried this color together, but I see that this is very these are beautiful colors, so maybe I will use black and only then Tiffany color. So let's start. What we are doing, we take this cuprum metallic color and just doing like this motion. As you see, the color is beautiful. Yes, and starting to dry. I'm going to do something like this to give it some kind of nice shape, not just the round. Something I have not here. Okay, let's continue. Let's see what we have. Beautiful color, beautiful shades of cuprum metallic cuprum. Let's continue. So I dried almost 1/3 part of all the artwork. I'm going to put some black color here and here. Let's see. Not too much color. Woohoo! Okay, let's continue. As you see, I have black color stuck here, so I just help them to come to the center of the composition. Yes, a little bit more, and also it's stuck here, so little bit to the center, little bit to the center from this part of the artwork. Okay, let's continue. As you see, I have two different parts of the artwork, so I work with them in different time. I work with this and then with that. Then we take a toothbrush and splash Tiffany ink color in the middle of the color spot. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel.